I talk about all sorts of things on this channel, like how someone tried to drown me, or how the police showed up in the middle of the night to steal my computer. But this one is a bit more, well, I'll let you judge. So this happened a couple of years ago, and I was making a video, my very first ever lecture video with notes. And that video got tagged on a Twitter account with 50,000 followers. And I thought, ooh, I have to go see this. It was titled, Women to Watch Online. You think Sheryl Sandberg, I don't know, anybody on the self-made billionaire list, women, right? I'm not going to show you this channel because imagine my surprise when I discovered that I was the only one there with clothes on. What are they doing? I was quite impressed myself. I learned a couple of things I didn't know before. What was even more impressive is not only was I dressed, I was with an apron on. I think it was indeed the apron. Aprons are back. Every man is allowed to have his taste, or woman. So yeah, no judging, no judging. If aprons is what goes, aprons it is. I mean, I was looking at some of these performances, as it were. I mean, they were trying so hard, all I had to do was wear an apron. Really great. So yeah, I had my 15 minutes of fame. Really did make my day. I didn't know I had it in me. For once, I was Marilyn Monroe. So yeah, just thought I'd share this little one with you guys. Usually I give you some news, so there's been a lot of smaller videos that I've made to kind of accompany the books, and you can see them all on evanswitches.com. And I'm not going to disclose who it is, but I've just met a recording partner online, and I think he is going to do my 2 sample fairy tales, because I heard his voice on a completely non-related video which I was watching, and I'll talk more about that once we have them out if this goes through. I just thought, wow, this is incredible. He's the one. And I contacted him and I asked, hey, do you do this kind of thing? And he said, I'll give it a go. And the recording came back, just a sample, and I thought, wow, he's funnier than me. Like, his interpretation of my work is better than when I read it myself, like in my head. So yeah, we'll see how that goes. I hope you like this mini story, and I'll see you in the next video.